The quality of the air we breathe is paramount for our health, and indoor air is no exception. Most people breathe more polluted air in indoor environments than outdoors, impairing their health, comfort, and productivity. Indoor air pollution is a complex mixture of thousands of pollutants from numerous sources. Such pollutants include gases, particulate matter, and bioaerosols like viruses and bacteria. Exposure to indoor air pollution can impact all organs and systems of the human body and can cause long-term effects like chronic respiratory diseases, cardiovascular diseases, stroke, and cancer, which can potentially lead to death. The best approach for providing healthy indoor air is source elimination and ventilation, using clean outdoor air. However, ventilation cannot be used if the outdoor air is polluted. Also, eliminating all pollution sources in all indoor environments is impossible. Air cleaning technologies are seen as promising, effective methods to provide clean indoor air. Many have been emerging in the market, but are they effective? There is sparse public and market information. These solutions have limitations, and there is a lack of standardization and citizens' understanding. So, there is an urgent need to consolidate what is known about air cleaning technologies. Net4CleanAir aims to create an international and interdisciplinary network with the goal of promoting clean air for healthy and energy-efficient indoor environments. This action is structured into 6 complementary working groups. Through collaboration, knowledge sharing, advocacy and innovation between academia, industry and policymakers, Net4CleanAir will identify knowledge gaps, develop strategies to fill them, synthesize and review the knowledge. Net4CleanAir will use available networking tools to promote opportunities for young researchers and innovators and provide recommendations to support decision-making. Net4CleanAir joins world-leading experts covering the main disciplines in air cleaning research and innovation. Since its start, hundreds of new members have joined from all across Europe, and more are joining every day. You too can join the movement for cleaner, healthier indoor air. Visit net4cleanair.eu to find out more.